Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem digital Nike gift card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem our digital Nike gift card, what you need to do first is open Nike website or app. You can either use the website or the Nike application as per your preference. Simply open the Nike website or your app, and then once inside, tap on the account icon at the top and be sure to be logged into your account using your Nike account email and password. You can also check out as a guest on the website, but the balance tracking is easier if signed in. The next step is to add items to cart. Find the shoes or apparels that you want to add or buy, and once you select it, you'll find an option that says add to bag. Simply select that and then select the size that you want, and then simply tap on add to bag once again. And once that's done, what you need to do is head over and then simply tap on the bag icon on the top right corner of your screen, and once inside the cart section, you'll find an option that says checkout or go to checkout. Simply select that. Now if you are a guest checkout, simply select a guest checkout, and if you are a member checkout, select member checkout. Then once inside in the payments option, you'll find an option that says add a gift card or redeem gift card. Simply select that and enter the following from a digital gift card email or code, like a gift card number, which is usually 16 digits, pins sometimes in a separate field in the email on the gift card page. Then once entered, simply click on apply. Then the gift card balance will apply to your order. Simply click on place order and your digital Nike gift card is redeemed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.